Hey everybody, we got another busy day today here at Albrook Ranch. I'm Jarrett, and yesterday we cut 3 fields, and today we're going to be baling them and hauling the hay off, and then I'm going to plant sorghum in the bottom there. So my parents will be hauling the hay off while they're baling it, and then I will be planting right behind them because there's a rainstorm coming and we want to get it in the ground before it rains. So yeah, that's what we got going, so let's go. Hey everybody, it's the second day of planting. I planted all day yesterday and I just showed up this morning. It's like 6:30. You can kind of feel the wetness in the air. I feel like it's gonna rain very soon. They're talking about tonight. They said this morning. I don't think they know, but we'll just go till it does. But hopefully I can get all of it in the ground before it does. But just gotta walk around the planter and make sure everything looks good. It's been doing very well. It's been planting excellent. Have had no problems with it yet, so that's always good. And I've done I did 40 acres the other day, and then I did 35 yesterday, and I need to do about another 40 today. So then we'll be all wrapped up and hopefully can get a good rain on it. Let's get going. All right, it's 1 o'clock. I got pretty much all of it planted. Besides, there's probably 20 acres that I ran out of seed and don't have enough for. But I'm just trying to run out the seed right now, and it's sprinkling. You see it sprinkling everywhere. Perfect timing. If I can just run this out and we can get a rain, that would be awesome. All right, we got it all planted. Right at 70 acres is what we did. And the planter did very well. Very impressed with it. It's all dirty. I'm gonna have to go wash it now, but it's kind of sprinkled on and off all day. Nothing big, nothing major, but they keep talking about tonight, so that's awesome. They're talking about 2 inches. I mean, I'll take whatever we can get, but yeah, I appreciate you guys watching and hope you guys have a good rest of your day.